So the elevators here at Whole Foods.
Trinity Place. Next big Gen2s.
There's a set of 4 up there for the main building. Basic Gen2.
First floor. Going down. B3.
We're at B3. I do not like how the call station is not centered. I wonder if the other one even works. Probably not. It's not here by now. Yep.